If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get instant notification on new videos published.
Mussels are easy to cook and surprisingly simple and quick to include in a midweek supper or as a delicious dinner party choice. When eaten with starchy carbohydrates and fruit and vegetables, mussels form part of a healthy, balanced diet. Mussels are naturally low in fat and are a rich source of good quality protein. They are also a good source of several vitamins and minerals needed for good health, including iron, zinc, selenium, iodine, and some of the B group vitamins. Plus, they are a source of the beneficial omega-3 N3 fatty acids. Mussels are a very powerful source of high-quality protein, providing all of the essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Did you know that a 75 grams portion of mussel meat provides you with about 25% of the protein you need in the day? Steamed mussels contain less than 3% fat. To preserve this fantastic low-fat benefit, it is advised to use low-fat methods of cooking mussels such as steaming, grilling, or including in soups and stews. Mussels are also naturally very low in saturated fat and yet contain a source of the really good omega-3 or N3 fatty acids. Mussels are a super source of selenium. Selenium is an essential component of the immune system and an important antioxidant. Irish research indicates that nearly half of women in Ireland currently have inadequate selenium intakes. One portion of mussels provides 59% of selenium needs, so they're an obvious and delicious choice. Mussels are a particularly rich source of zinc, iron, selenium, iodine, and vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is needed to build protein and to ensure healthy nerve function. Mussels also contribute a significant amount of phosphorus, copper, riboflavin, and chloride to the diet. Zinc has over 100 functions in the body. Mussels are a great source of zinc, and one portion provides 25% of daily zinc needs. Zinc is found in cells throughout the body and helps the immune system fight off invading bacteria and viruses. It is needed in small amounts every day in order to maintain health, help with hormone production, and improve digestion. Zinc also has an ability to act as an anti-inflammatory agent. Mussels are a particularly high dietary source of iron. A massive 61% of Irish women aged 18 to 50 have inadequate iron intakes and also have low levels of selenium and iodine. So it is of real benefit for women to include mussels in their diet whenever possible. Text source: m.independent.ie